Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of a vegan diet. A vegan diet is a plant-based diet that excludes all animal products. Many people are choosing to go vegan for a variety of reasons, including health, animal welfare, and environmental concerns. Health benefits. There are many health benefits to a vegan diet. Vegans tend to have lower rates of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. A vegan diet is also typically high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can help boost overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Animal welfare. Another reason people choose to go vegan is because of animal welfare concerns. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of animal suffering and cruelty. By choosing a vegan diet, you can help reduce the demand for animal products and reduce animal suffering. Environmental benefits. A vegan diet is also better for the environment. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. By choosing a vegan diet, you can help reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Delicious vegan food. Many people assume that a vegan diet is boring and tasteless, but that's simply not true. There are so many delicious vegan foods out there, from fresh fruits and vegetables to plant-based proteins like tofu and tempeh. With a little creativity, you can create delicious and satisfying vegan meals that will satisfy even the most die-hard carnivores. In conclusion, a vegan diet offers many benefits, including improved health, animal welfare, and environmental sustainability. If you're considering going vegan, I encourage you to give it a try. With so many delicious vegan options available, you might just be surprised at how easy and enjoyable it can be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.